Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Boxycharm for the month of October. I'm so excited about this box. I have accidentally seen a few sneak peeks here and there what's in it, so I'm looking forward to it. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm wearing a sweater today because I woke up and it was like in the 40s, which for me, I'm just a cold person, so I don't like the cold. I know there's like a ton of you out there that are probably like, that's not cold at all, but I think it's cold. So this month's theme is After Dark. Boxycharm is doing this new thing. It's called Boxycharm Premium. Apparently it's $35. I'm not the one to ask about this, but from what I understand, is it going to affect me? I don't think so. I'm just gonna keep getting the regular box, so I don't know. First thing in the box that I'm so excited about is this Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's eyeshadow palette. I have never tried Dose of Colors before, but everyone has said that it's amazing. I love the packaging, like that is so pretty. This retails for $32. It's 5 pans, but you also do get a brush in here. So I don't know if the brush is any good, but I'm gonna actually try to use it today. It's a dual-ended. I don't usually love the dual-ended brushes, but these are the colors. This is so pretty. They're like pinky tone nudes. I'm just gonna zoom in and do a quick eye look with this. This is what I have going on the eyes so far. This palette is so pigmented. It's an all matte palette. I think this is pretty versatile. Like you could definitely do a whole look with this palette or pair it with something else that's more shimmery. I do like the way it turned out, and I think that this is a really good palette. Can't wait to use a little bit more. The brush that came with it was okay. It wasn't my favorite. It's kind of like really tiny. I mean, I did use it and it worked. I feel like the pencil side was a little pokey. The next product in the box is this. This is the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This retails for $7. It says it's a creamy formula that glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. So it is a pencil liner, not my favorite, but you know, we'll give it a go. See if it hurts my eyes, honestly. I'm gonna warm it up on the back of my hand. Okay, so it looks really, really black on the back of your hand. I'm just so nervous. Like the pencil liners near my eyes just make me so nervous. It got the job done, but I just prefer like gel eyeliners over the wooden pencils. I mean, it's really black. I mean, you can see it in my waterline for sure, but It's not my favorite, I'll be honest. Next product in the box is this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This retails for $16. It's a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator that allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. So I already filled in my brows with pencil just because that's what I always do. I never use a gel on its own. I got the shade Dark Brown. So the spoolie like this, it's kind of bigger. I do think the spoolie is a little big just for me personally. I mean, I think it did okay. I don't know, I feel like I can't tell like a huge difference. I definitely have brow gel everywhere though now. An okay product. I feel like you definitely have to use this more than once to really get a real opinion on it, but I mean, I'm definitely going to keep using it. The spoolie is a little big for me, but I think that, you know, you could definitely make it work. And the next product is the Hank and Henry. This is another product from their Slick With It line that we got last box. And this is the Mascara Duo. This retails for $19 and it says it's a vegan mascara that's waterproof, has a duo wand applicator. It adds volume and length to your top lashes while the other is thin and designed for your lower lashes. So that's fun. So what I'm thinking is it's probably the same formula, just two different wands. Not labeled which one's which, but this is what one side looks like. This is the other side, so it's like really tiny, which is awesome because at one point in time I was wanting to try the Wet n Wild, the skinny mascara. If the formula is good, it might be really perfect for the lower lash line because I always feel like I get mascara on my concealer. The mascara is like okay, in my opinion. I mean, I don't know, what do you think? I have like really bad lashes, so it's kind of hard to judge. Skinny wand was nice to get right to the base of your bottom lashes. I mean, I'll play around with it a little bit more. I'd say it's not my favorite mascara, but you know, mascara for me is just like a thing that hardly does anything for me usually, just because I have really bad lashes. Final product in the box is this iconic London Prep Set and Glow. This is a hydrating mist that refreshes. It has light reflecting properties in it. It's 100% vegan. It retails for $29. So when you shake it up, it looks really cool like this. I'm excited to try it just because it looks cool. It's supposed to make me glowy, so we shall see. That was a really nice mist. Like, it wasn't too harsh or anything. It was very like, it dispersed everywhere. Definitely do think it made me glowier. It smells like pleasant. It's kind of like a, it's like a florally scent. It says it has chamomile, green tea, and cucumber, but it's not overpowering cucumber. Like, I don't really like the scent of cucumber, but this doesn't really give me like that sort of vibe. So I actually really like this and I can't wait to keep using it because I love a good setting spray. So the overall value of the box was $103 this month, and I actually was really impressed with this box. My favorite thing, of course, is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, because I've been seeing these 5-pan eyeshadow palettes around for some time and they're just so beautiful and they were so pigmented, so easy to blend. So like, I'm obsessed with this. I'm very excited to keep using it. The packaging is beautiful, so love that. But I actually really like the Iconic London setting spray. The eyeliner was just okay for me, and I have to play around with the mascara a little bit more, and also the brow gel. But overall, these two products, I feel like, I mean, they are already more than you pay for the box. So let me know down below what you got in this month's box. What was your favorite item? Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Busy with YouTube. There's some exciting stuff.